two girls from internally displaced families that are presently taking refuge in relief camps due to the ongoing crisis in Manipur have been selected to participate in the third Sub-Junior Boys and Girls National Boxing Championship of 2024. Laurembam Anjali, 14, of More Ward number 5, and Janambam Langlen Janu of Ikaw Sadu Kwering, along with their families, are presently taking refuge at relief camp. However, both the girls were then shifted to Sarita Regional Boxing Academy and have been undergoing training under the guidance of renowned boxer Laishram Sarita. Amid the present crisis, representing Manipur in the National Boxing Championship is a big challenge for both the girls. Now, the championship is set to begin from March 18 to 25 at Shahid Vijay Pathik Sports Complex in Greater Noida. Including the girls, 5 boxers of Sarita Regional Boxing Academy will be participating in the championship. Moreover, altogether 15 boxers from different boxing academies have left Imphal to represent Manipur in the championship.